Hey y'all, and welcome back to another day of Vlogtober. Today we are going to be going to my friend's baby shower, so I'm just getting, a couple of things taken care of before I go there. And I'm a little hungry right now, so we're trying to find some breakfast. But yeah, that is on the agenda today. All right, y'all, we headed to the baby shower. Did you put the tub in the back? Say hi. Nigga, get it down.
Hey, no, I ain't taking it off till we get to that.
No. You ready, Zora? No.
I'm already used to that.
Alright, y'all, so that is the end of the baby shower. We're getting ready to go home. But let me show you what your girl won, because your girl don't play when it comes to competing. Alright, so first, what was the game I won? Well, the first game, 4 people got selected for musical chairs, but one of the girls didn't want to play when she found out what the game was. So I said, I'll take her turn. So I ended up winning that game, and I got this bag of goodies. So let me show y'all what's in it. I got this nice little journal, which is so crazy because I needed a new journal. I want to say this is a robe. I hope this is a robe. But it's something from Victoria's Secret, so we'll check it out when we get home. I also got, honey, a $10 Chick-fil-A card. You know I needed it. And then I got some makeup brushes. Look at that. So I will be using those. Let me see what else is in here. Oh, girl. Somebody gave me some eyelashes. This is good. Nice and wispy like I like them. Oh, somebody must have thinking about me when they made this bag. All right, so then we had another game. It was, you had to guess like the size of her stomach using the toilet paper roll. So of course that's my best friend, so I'm gonna win that. So I won another Chick-fil-A card. So your girl got $20. That is it for my gifts. But look at these cute little arrangements that they had. I think this is chocolate. That is so freaking cute. Like, I don't even want to eat it, but it's so cute. And yeah, y'all, so we're about to head back home. Right now, Eric is just helping load up the cars. She got so much stuff for her babies. Huh? And we're going to head home. I got my trail mix that I'm going to make. And we will be done for today. All right, y'all, let's make some trail mix. All right, first I'm gonna layer it with some of the white cheddar popcorn from Smart Food. So Let's do 1 layer of that. Then I'm gonna take the Duos Cheez-Its and sharp cheddar and Parmesan. I'm gonna layer it with that. All right, you guys, now I'm going to go ahead and add the pretzels. This is cheddar flavored. These are the tiny twists from Road Gold. I'm just gonna do a layer of that. I didn't even know these were cheddar. Let me try one real quick. Oh my God, these are so good. Wow. Who would have thought? Cheddar flavored pretzels. Alrighty. Now I'm gonna add some M&Ms. I'm using a classic mix. It's got the milk chocolate, peanut butter, and the regular peanut all in one bag. Alright, we don't need that much chocolate, but that's good enough. Now we are going to add our vanilla flavored marshmallows from Jet Puff. These are like mini marshmallows. And I'm just gonna sprinkle them. Hold on. You want some marshmallows? Let's put some more. Huh? All right, look how pretty that's starting to look. Now I'm just gonna do another layer of popcorn. Yeah, I'm not gonna try to mix this up. I think I like it the way that it is. Plus, it's so pretty. What do you guys think? Tell me if you guys want to try this at home, and if you do, please tag me in the comments.